I'm Tharanku Ramachuraka. Hello. This video in my Self-Mastery Shorts video series is about the phrase, I will. Let's say your boss says to you, hey, I want you to go over there and pick up that trash. And you say, all right, I will. What did you mean when you said I will? Probably you meant, okay, I intend to do that because you said so. But think a little bit more, please, right now about the phrase, I will. If you're at all familiar, really, in a self-mastery context, with the words I and the word will, if you're at all familiar with the material which constitutes the main thrust of my YouTube channel here, it might suddenly occur to you that when you just nonchalantly say the phrase I will, what you're really uttering is quite a powerful statement. It involves two words, the denotations of which are right at the core of self-mastery. I will. Oh, I don't think there are, well, maybe if I gave it some more thought, I could come up with a combination of two words that stand more at the core of self-mastery, but I can't think of them offhand. I will. So look, when you say I will, then you better, or you'll weaken your use of will. But if you do, then you'll strengthen it. Now, given the position that will, the power of will, your access to and use of cosmic power of will, has in your self-mastery development, it might be a good idea to go ahead and do whenever you say, I will. Don't you think? So be careful. Be careful with that phrase, I will. Because when you use it, when you utter it, even when you just think it, you've made a commitment. And with respect to self-mastery, which is the purpose of this video, in this playlist, the purpose of which is self-mastery, or giving you tips to aid in your own self-mastery. That phrase, I will, should be used carefully, because when you say it, I want you to remember what you're really saying, and what's really happening, and what this has to do with your own self-mastery. Follow through with that commitment. I'm Tharanku Ramachuraka. All right. Have a good day. I know I will.